Today in this video I'm gonna explain Vivo Y52 hard reset pattern unlock. Begin by completely powering off the Vivo Y52 using the power button. Simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power keys until the fast boot mode menu appears. Use the volume up key to navigate to the recovery mode option within the menu. Then press the power button to confirm. Within recovery mode, locate and select the clear data option. Choose clear all data when promoted. Press the OK key and enter your password if previously set up. Once the data clearing process is finished, select return to go back to the previous menu. Use the restart function to reboot the Vivo Y52. After the restart, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as if it were brand new. Your phone will now be reset to its original factory settings similar to when it was first purchased. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.